Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a desert skull. First, let's start off with a long, wide curved line for the top of the skull, followed by another similar line at a slight angle underneath that one. On the left side, another long curved line coming down at an even steep angle that turns and swoops out and down like so for the long snout of the skull. On the right side, draw another curved line angled down like so to start a horn. From the top end, a long J-shaped line that goes out to the right and curls up like so. Then, from the tip, turn back down and curl back to the other end here. On the other side, draw a similar shape with a line going out and curling up that turns and curls down back to the skull like so. At the front of the skull, draw 3 small bumps like so for the teeth, followed by a long line that curves up and over to the right, turns up at the end, and turns out to the right and curves back up to the horn here. Now we can add 2 small oval shapes on the front of the nose here and color them in. And a big oval here for an eye. For some extra detail, we can add some thin lines all around for some more texture. A really thin line coming over the top of the skull, down the middle towards the nose, some thin lines coming up from between the teeth, one coming out from this bump under here, and some curved ones all along the horn to finish it off. And now you've got a desert skull. If you have any other desert-themed tutorials or anything else you'd like to see, let us know in the comments below. Or check out these videos for more.